The Resource Task Manager page allows you to see the progress for each unit that is being serviced. For example, you can see the date that has begun, the date that it was completed, the unit in question, which employees it was assigned to. You can also either unassign it or assign it to a different employee if you want to. Here, as we said, in the guidelines, this determines which of the guidelines were covered. This shows the score as a rating. And if you want to put an image of the individual unit, you can provide that as well in the image file. Any replacement parts that are necessary will also be noted here. In this case, an air conditioning pin is noted based on this score. And we know that the air conditioning unit in room Apache 4 requires a new air conditioning pin. You can use this panel below to make searches based on either the date that a task was made, a date or a task is due. You can search for either a specific maintenance or an entire maintenance report. You can search for all the hot tubs, all the air conditionings, and so on. You have more parameters of which to break it down, whether by urgency, by, for example, AC. We know that we're looking at for AC services, or you can search for completed or deleted ones. You can also search for specific departments, either for housekeeping, so you can use this also to note any rooms that need servicing. You can use this for maintenance as well. You can use this to search for tasks either assigned to an employee or created by an employee. You can have more control over the task by selecting this task, clicking edit, and this takes you to the maintenance task resource setup. For example, the hot tub in Brazos unit 16, you will determine that this only needs 50 minutes of service, and you can assign this client for it. Once you've submitted that, that command goes along to that task, and the staff in person knows that they need 50 minutes to complete this. The check for the condition of the outside deck. Once they set this, they will determine whether the condition is like unit 3, fair condition. Any replacement parts that are necessary, they would add that also. Once the task is complete, they click the complete button, and you will see this tick shown here to show that this section was covered.